Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 6. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIFS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an agricultural studies class for the students of class 6. Let's see our today's topic. It is chapter 2, lesson number 7 and 8, reading plus discussion. Dear learners, look here, I am telling you about our today's topic, chapter 2, lesson number 7 and 8, reading plus discussion. And this is our 9th number lecture. There is no homework. Dear students of class 6, in this connections I request all of my students of class 6 having agriculture studies subject, okay, page number agriculture studies, class 6, page number 19, to start from lesson 7, green grass preservation. Lesson 7, green grass preservation, from page number 19. Cattle feed shortage occurs during the dry season. Okay, that means during the dry season there is a huge shortage of cattle feed, but abundant grass grows in the rainy season. At the time we have to preserve cattle feed for the dry season. For this, green grass preservation method is used. Green grass preservation method is called silage. Nutrient quality of grass is not changed. Grass preserved in the specific place or pit is called silo pit. Silo pits are deficit in oxygen, and due to shortage of oxygen, lactic acid is produced in the grass. This lactic acid helps to preserve the green grass. Okay, now page number 20. Green grass has great importance. Deficit of grass occurs in different places during the winter. Then it becomes difficult to give cattle or animals a standard food. So the shortage of cattle food can be made up by the green grass preservation in the rainy season. The quality of silage is important. Milk productions of cattle increases with silage having good quality green grass. The grass that has more carbohydrate is good for silage. For silage or green grass preservation, improved green grass varieties such as Para, Napier, German. So look here, it is green grass item, it is Para, Napier, German, Ginny and maize are used. But silage of maize is much better. Silage may be prepared by mixing with 1:5 green rice, straw and green grass. Site selections for silo pit preservation is an important subject. Silo pit should be prepared where rainwater is not locked and there is no shortage of grass. Silo pits may be of two types, raw and constructed. Silage preparation method in a raw pit is described below. So look, there are points. Firstly, select a dry and high place for preserving green grass. Next, a pit should be prepared in a specific place with 1 meter deep, 1 meter wide and 1 meter length. 3. 70 kg green grass can be preserved in a 1 cubic meter soil pit. Number 4. Take molasses in an earthen pot weighing 3 or 4% of green grass. Point number 5. After that, mixed equal quality of water with molasses. 6. At the bottom of the pit, polythene used in good. A thick layer of straw should be prepared if polythene is not used, and a layer of straw should be spread around it at the time of arranging grasses. 7. After that, step by step, 700 kg gram. So look here, 700 kg gram grass and 20 to 30 kg dry straw should be pit. 8 number. In every layer of grass, 15 to 20 kg molasses water mixed is to be sprayed evenly. 9. Grass and straw are piled step by step in this way and after pressed by foot. So as a result, air will go out. Number 10. When arrangement of grass will be completed, then after putting a layer straw cover should be given with polythene. 11. Finally, on the polythene 7.5 space 10 centimeter thickness of soil should be deposited. Preserved green grass or silage should be given to cows to eat during the shortest period from October to November. Grass should be pulled out gradually from one side of the pit. Cattle like much to eat green grass preserved by this method because of good taste and flavor. Now we will go to next page to have lesson number 8, fish culture in pen. So look, there is a picture. So where we can see the fish culture in pen. Demand of fish has been more due to increases of population. Supply of fishes in the market is decreasing due to different reasons. Fishery expert or specialist have given valuable advice to fulfill the demand of fishes. Fish culture in a pen is one among such advice. Nowadays, in open water, fish culture in pen is getting popularity. Though fish culture in pen is new in our country, for a long time it has been in use in North America, Indonesia, Cambodia, etc. Fish culture in pen is an approved technology of fish specialists or experts. Farmer can cultivate fish in this method in areas having rivers, haors, canals and ditches. Okay, next, anywhere in open water, rivers or canal or pen is given a pond like shape. The most important thing is that fish culture is the pen can fulfill the family nutritional demand, and also a family can earn money by selling this fish in the market. Next, before making a pen, firstly place 4 poles at 4 sides and fasten crosswise bamboo pole sticks to make a rectangular shape. So from the picture we have a clear idea, or we can see it properly. Then the pen is made of net covering the 4 sides, the top and the bottom of the frame. In the river of marsh, the soil is to be dark. Then bamboo pole sticks should be set by binding the pen tightly with this. There is an arrangement on the upper side of the pen to supply food or fishes. The pen may be small, medium or big in size. Measurement of small size pen is in length 3 meter, wide 2 meter and depth 2 meter. Pen size may be 2 or 3 times larger in size of the commercial purpose. Fish pen with many chambers may be prepared by setting net or thick hold net attach a long bamboo frame. So attach along different types of fish may be cultivated in different chambers. Now we will go to next page number 22. Pen should be placed where the water flow is slow or flowless. Pen arrangement is hard and costly in strong water flow. Pen should be set by a pole or platform. A platform is better than a pole. A platform may be made with oil drum. In any depth, a pen may be set. When sitting using a platform, fish culture in pen is an intensive cultivation. For this, balanced food is very essential. In Bangladesh, tilapia, nilotica and carp fishes are cultivated in pens. Among this, tilapia cultivation is profitable. To cultivate tilapia per 1 cubic meter pen, 40 to 50 fry fish weighing 25 to 30 gram should be released. As feed, wheat, bran and fish meal should be given in course of time by mixing at the rate of 85% and 15%. Food quality per day will be 3 to 8% of fish body weight. The whole ground base of pen will be covered with polythene and then food should be given. Our last para, pen net may be filled up with silage and algae. Okay. If so, net should be cleaned by brush of bamboo sticks in proper time. From 1 cubic meter pen, 20 kg tilapia production is possible in every alternate 3 months. So this thing is done. Now, dear learners, we have finished our reading lesson 7 to 8. Okay. Though in the page it is seen there are some fragments. Okay. These are related to our lesson 9. Today we shall not read this one. In our next class we shall read this. Please, today's lecture, it is lecture number 9, lesson number 7 and 8. You will read at home more and more. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.